Good morning, my hair's a mess. I've got myself a black coffee. I haven't had a black coffee in ages, so I thought I'd have my black coffee, which tastes really good. I've also got some water right there because I'm going to drink a lot of water today because I'm trying intermittent fasting today. It is a Friday, but guess what we are in, guys? We are in double digits. It's 10. Double digits starts today. I was supposed to go to the gym today. I missed my alarms to get up. I was like, for fuck's sake, I missed my bloody alarms to get up. Like, I was not happy. I was like, damn it. So I just slept through and then woke my husband up and then I just slept and everything. But yeah, like, I can't believe we're in double digits. Like, it's 10. It's the 10th day. And I'm like, ooh. And 9 days is my birthday. Oh my god. Like, that's the thing that I'm just like, what the hell? So yeah, I'm gonna try something a little bit new. But yeah, hopefully it will work. I don't know. I won't find out till tomorrow. But yeah, I'm excited. But I just need to do what I need to do. But I've got a couple of spots here. A product that I've been using that's not agreeing with me. So, or using a product. Because sometimes I might become on my period because I normally get spots down here when I come on my period. But I tend to pick them, which is not good. So I might get some patches, like mighty patches or dot spots from Amazon or, you know, from Beauty Bay and get that done. But I'm a bit pissed off. Like, I don't speak about this on my channel because I know it's probably going to rile people up. But most of the people, if Boris Johnson says, look, Christmas is going to be locked down, most of the people are not going to listen because he lives at number 10, right? The Prime Minister lives at number 10. So that's where he lives all the time, right? I think that's how it works. And they had a party last December. I do believe that actually happened. I do believe that because I know how government and number 10s are. They're selfish and they don't care about the public. I was locked down with my husband. I didn't see his family last year, and knowing this, it's kind of shit. But I'm also agreeing with what Theresa May says. She says, like, there's no point of having any more lockdowns. Like, there's no point, because if you're going to just keep having lockdown after lockdown after lockdown, it's not going to get any better. She's right. Like, I will not, if I was Prime Minister, I'd lock down for the first one because we wouldn't know, we didn't have the vaccines. But now we've got vaccines, we've got stuff like this, and we shouldn't keep locking down the country. Like, listen, we have to get used to it, because if Boris Johnson is locking down people, like locking down the country again, no one's going to have any money, full stop. Because the furlough thing, apparently my best friend, her boyfriend, was on it, right? But he was doing a job and he was supposed to get money from furlough ship. Couldn't do it. They didn't have money for about 2 to 3 weeks because it was so backed up, and that is not going to work. So Boris, you're an idiot, but you just have to not put it on lockdown because you're never gonna learn. That's my 2 cents on it. I think he did have a Christmas party. I think he knew about it. Come on, if he lives at number 10, he fucking knows about it. Plus, what I don't get is if he knew about it, he has kids as well, and he has a wife. Like, you're putting your family in danger. And I think all number 10 people should resign, you know, should not have jobs. I think we should have a new Prime Minister that is going to stick to his word and don't have parties behind our back. But yeah, I do not think that it was right. Yeah, I'm just editing my vlog from yesterday. I have like kind of not that much footage, but you know, it's kind of what it is, you know. On the phone with my best friend. She's more like a sister to me, she really is. I love her so much and she's more like a sister. I've been doing my work, so I'm just waiting for it to process in it now. Then that's fine, but I'm just like, you know, I don't know. Just make sure you have water. Just let you know, if you do drink lots of water, you need to go for a piss every 5 seconds. Just sorted out the sofa. It is nice and clean. And I used this one from Fabulosa. It's a room and fabric freshener, and it is in rose and vanilla, which actually smells really, really nice. I actually like the smell. I still have to sort out the dining room table, but I will get that sorted today. Just waiting for that to dry. I've got washing on the go as well, which is good. I need to sort out all that, as well. Oh, I might have to sit down this then because it's doing my back a load of good. Sorry. I did some workout the other day. Not yesterday, Thursday. Wednesday I did workout and I think I just did something to my back, which is not good. But yeah, hopefully my back will be better. But yeah, I'm just relaxing. I might just stay home for Christmas this December, and then next year probably go down 1 week to see his nan and granddad, which probably will be better because he hasn't seen them in ages, but it depends. It really depends, but I might just get Christmas food when I get shopping so I can, you know, hopefully be good. But I'm gonna get some beef as well and some pork. If you get a turkey, you know, if you get some stuffing, get some little sausages with pigs and blankets, get some Brussels, you know, all that jazz. It's gonna taste so good. And sausages, well, cumberland sausages, because I want to do like Jamie Oliver recipes, because I've seen them on Jamie Louise Miles and they actually look so good. Like, they look delicious, so I might some of them. So I just need to find my light. So I'm going to have to open my advent calendar because today's the 10th, double digits. And I want to say thank you for everybody who, I want to thank this person for leaving a comment on my video from my vlog on the 9th. But yeah, I'm glad you really liked it. So it's 10th. We're in double digits. 9 days is my birthday. Kind of crazy. Right. Warm up. And we got a little snowman, and we got a snowman again. That's quite cute. There we go. Just snowman. Kind of cute. Yeah. Okay. And he gets some to it as well. So. I might have some biscotti that I actually bought from Aldi. Biscotti. So I'm gonna have some spaghetti. No, I just want to have some biscotti now. This is black bean biscotti. Not much yet, that'll be fine. Ooh. Ooh. And the rest I need to put away in here. I don't mind this black biscuiting. It's black bean biscuity, but my good grief. It's a bit, let's say it's a bit, fragile. It's very fragile, not a bit fragile, it's very fragile. It's very fragile. But it's going to taste really good. It may not look disgusting, but trust me, it's going to taste so good. Maybe gross, but trust me, it's going to taste really good. Well, here we go. Put it all on a plate. It's a big portion, but trust me, it's going to taste nice. It may not look nice. You may think that looks disgusting, but trust me, try it with you on camera because it's going to taste really good. It's going to taste nice. Sorry, it doesn't look. I know it doesn't look good. Trust me, it's going to taste nice. Mmm. Perfect. I'm going to grab a spoon for the sauce as well. But that is delicious. It is delicious. It is so good. I finished my dinner. Oh my god, that was delicious. My plate is empty and I'm actually full now and I don't want anything else to eat. And it actually is really good. It tastes like a bit like the Gigi Hadid, but without the vodka. It tastes really good. So it was biscotti. So the pasta, I biscotti. And it was really good, but my nose is really red. It's what happens. I do know I'm going to have a bath tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to have a bath, and then basically, so tomorrow morning, going to the gym, have a bath that morning, have a bath, get my bath ready, and then get dressed, and then, start the day. But I might wear a dress tomorrow. I'm not quite sure. Oh, I am full. Oh, so I have my advent calendar. I had my dinner. I'm drinking water, and I had a banana. And I'm all good. So fasting today, intermittent fasting today was actually really good. It was actually not too bad. That was good. I just need to lose a lot of weight. I gained a lot of weight. Yeah, I gained so much weight from down here, but up here, I do have a fat face like, but tomorrow morning, I'm going to the gym.